All right. Hi, everyone. Welcome to the screencast that I promised you on Tuesday night, but here it is Wednesday morning. So, first of all, thank you for your patience and understanding. It wasn't the best day to plan a travel day. A lot of you all have already reached out through an email. If you need extra time, that is not a problem. If after viewing the screencast, you think that you might want to edit it, update whatever you submit it, that is not a problem either. Just send me an email and let me know. Keep in touch. I want you to be able to demonstrate what you learned and your understandings and feel confident about it. I also understand this is a busy time of year for you, and if you need that extra couple days, it is not a problem. So just let me know. Um, so here we have the Padlet. This link will take you to the Padlet that will where you can upload your log. Most of you have done it already, but that 13 hours, because class was only 2 hours instead of three, you kept a log of those 13 additional hours. Either you did them in my room or in your mentor teacher's classroom or whatever we have agreed to. You will upload the log there. It would be really helpful if you would follow this link and complete the course evaluation. Any feedback you give me is always helpful, helps me planning for future classes. So I would appreciate that. This is the link that will take you to your script, your planning document. And you can use this any way you'd like. The important part is that you highlight those those principles of effective literacy instruction and how you integrated them throughout your thematic e-unit. Some people like to just work from bullet points. Some people like to create a draft word for word and read that. So whatever your comfort level is. We have some student exemplars down here. So this is your guide. And again, it can just be bullet points that you talk from, or it can be a word for word script. But the important part is that you make sure you're integrating how you use those effective principles of effective literacy instruction throughout your thematic e-unit and the lessons that you've designed. And also keep it short, 3 to 5 minutes. It's meant to be really like a launching part of your like sort of how you would present yourself at an interview to become a teacher. So that's how you're approaching this screencast, how you would approach it, explaining your knowledge and your understandings at an employment interview to become a teacher. Next, we have, if you still need help on how to develop a screencast, here is more information, further guidelines, and more student exemplars. You also want to update your professional e-portfolio. You want to make sure that under the lesson plans, unit plans, you have that document, your planning document that we just looked at with your script, and then live links to your screencast and your balanced literacy e-unit. Make sure that the document is saved as a document, so those links remain live for me to access them and anyone else. Here is where you post your signature assignment, which would be your read aloud 3-lesson sequence. All the directions are here, along with a tutorial. You want to make sure you click on Dr. Susan Kaitis as your professor. And then this is the link for your final presentation. Again, making sure that document is saved as a document. So it's easy for me to access your link to your screencast and your balanced literacy e-unit. Any questions, any concerns, you need a little more time, not a problem. You guys have been an outstanding class. I've enjoyed really getting to know you, working with you, meeting you, and I want you to know that anytime you need my support in any way, just reach out and I am here for you. So stay well and good luck to you all.